Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, you are also very much welcome. My name is Candy and I create content on lifestyle focusing on food, hair and motherhood. So today I'll be making a video about hair. I'll be showing you how I detangle my hair before I do my wash routine. So today I will be using aloe vera juice and some lavender Jamaican black castor oil to detangle my hair. But first I'll be showing you how I make this aloe vera juice. So let's do that before we come back to applying it on my hair.
It takes so little just to make me smile, but you don't seem to be around. Someone who makes me right, but you don't seem to take the time. You're on a mission now, I know you can't get out, and our time is running out. Ooh, bye-bye love, 'cause you don't know what my dreams are like and where I wanna go with you. Ooh, bye-bye love, 'cause you don't know and you don't seem to care that I could have gone with you anywhere. Try to be strong until you get back, but you don't seem to be around.
So now that you've seen how to make the aloe vera juice, I will go ahead and apply it on my hair. But before I do that, I'll be adding some of the lavender Jamaican black castor oil. Anyway, so I'll be adding some drops, no measurement. I rarely measure anything, so I'll just add what I think is enough. I think that should do. And then I'll just try and mix it together. Let me just use the base of my detangler brush to mix it. Yeah. I can't be bothered to go and get a spoon to do that, so I'll just use the bottom to do that. Whatever you do to your hair, make sure you do it in sections, because it's just easier for you to manipulate your hair and also avoid any shedding or tangling. So I'm just going to try and section my hair into 4, or at least just make it in sections that it will be easy for me to just work with. So you can see my hair has some white residue. This is all the gel from the styling I've been doing through the week. Anyway, so that's why we're doing a wash routine, because my hair is due for washing. So we're going to detangle the hair now using aloe vera juice.
I ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid.
Okay, you can see my hair is really tangled. So I have to be really gentle when I do this. Oh, I forgot, I need to get a towel. Okay, so we've got my towel here. So my hair is really tangled, so what I'm doing is just basically using my fingers to just separate the hair, because it's sticky from all the gel I used in styling my hair during the week. So what I'm doing is just basically separating it so that it's much easier for me to just start the process of application. And once I've done that, I will just go ahead and keep applying in sections. For the first stage, I'm not going to do anything to the hair. I'm just going to apply the aloe vera and then leave it and then move to the next one till I have applied the aloe vera completely to the hair. But you can see as I'm doing it, I'm just at the same time using my hand to separate my hair, because like I said, it's really sticky because of all the gel. And yeah, so I'll just keep doing that. Once I finish applying, I'll come back and explain the next stage.
So we started building trust and my fragile heart started to bend. Yeah. I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So I, then you, and you, but I, so you, and I, not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different. Out the blue, somebody who listened. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone, but maybe it had to be you, you.
So once I have finished applying the aloe vera around the hair or all over the hair, I will just come back to every section and start to use my fingers to finger detangle. It is very important your hair is properly detangled before you wash your hair. That way you are minimizing any shedding, any breakage, because the moment your hair is really tangled, it is very difficult for you to comb it, and that is what causes your hair to break. So I am using my fingers first to make sure everything is properly detangled, and I took a little section. This time around I'll use a comb. Make sure you use a comb that is really has a wide tooth to comb your hair. Once I have done that, I will now use my detangling brush. So you can see there's like three stages to actually using the detangling brush. I used my fingers first to detangle, then I used the big wide tooth comb to comb the hair, and then now I am using the detangling brush, and then I just twist it out, and then I repeat the whole process to every section till everything is completely done. But I made sure that I took my time. I didn't rush it. I didn't if anywhere is still tangled, I drop the brush. I use my hand to separate the tangle before I continue brushing my hair. So yeah, so that's what I'll do to the whole hair, and then I'll come back again and tell you the next stage.
Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y yo sé que tú quieres.
Once I have completely applied the aloe vera around my hair and I've detangled my hair, you can actually decide to leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour if you want, but I'll just go ahead and wash it up immediately. And I will be using the Garnier conditioner and the Cantu shampoo to wash my hair today. So I've taken out all the twist out, and I just started out by just rinsing my hair, and I'll just do my normal wash routine. The first thing I do after rinsing my hair is to apply some shampoo. So I will be using the Cantu, like I said, to wash my hair today. So I'm just applying a generous amount to my hair, and I'll make sure that I scrub my scalp using my fingers, not my nails, to actually wash my scalp properly. And like I always say, wash your hair in sections, which is what I'm doing here. it is just easy to just do that. So I'm sectioning the head and I'm making sure that everywhere has the shampoo, and once I'm satisfied with scrubbing my scalp, I will just go ahead and rinse it out and get to the next stage of applying my conditioner, which is the stage that I will be showing you how I detangle again inside the shower. But at this stage is pretty much straightforward and there isn't so much to do because I have done a lot of detangling when I did with the aloe vera, which was the whole essence to just make it really easy for me to detangle in the shower. So once I finish rinsing out the shampoo, I'm applying the conditioner at this stage. Like again, I'll be applying a generous amount in section as well. Then first thing, I will comb like I did with the aloe vera. After combing, then I will use the detangling brush again to detangle the hair again, and then once I've done that, I will twist it out and move to the next stage. And that is basically the whole process, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this stage, and I hope you get to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please share this video with anyone you think might find it useful, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.
Y si no las cumples, se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y yo sé que tú quieres. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida, que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo,